Hey everyone, Dan with Mac Rumors, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at the new 4-port wireless charging hub from Nomad. The design of this hub is very simple. Rubber and plastic pretty much make up the entire body of this device. The rubber ring around the top is to help prevent your phone from sliding around from vibrations while wirelessly charging. Speaking of wireless charging, the hub is of the 7.5 watt fast charge variety, which is definitely a plus. Also, on the top of the hub, you'll notice 5 LED colored lights, in which red indicates currently charging and green indicates a completed charge. To access the rest of the hub's USB ports, you'll need to flip it over. The bottom of the hub has 3 USB Type-A ports and a fast charge USB Type-C port, which should give your phone some serious juice in little time. We're talking 50% in 30 minutes, assuming you have the USB-C to Lightning cable that's required to achieve these speeds for the iPhone. The USB-C port, in theory, is not capable of charging your MacBook or MacBook Pro because it's only a 15 watt port, but I was able to plug my MacBook Pro in and get the quote-unquote charge to happen, but really it just prevented my MacBook from dying sooner rather than later. There's also a bit of cable management help too. Kind of. You can fish your cables through the little slot at the bottom to ensure that at least all of them are coming out the same slot, but after that, you're pretty much on your own. You'll need to supply your own cables, and I highly recommend picking up a few shorter cables to keep things looking nice and tidy. Overall, I really like the look and feel of this hub, and it can pretty much roll with any desk, bedroom, or office setting that you place it in. If you have a lot of devices that you want to charge at once and wirelessly charge your iPhone quickly, then this hub is a fantastic option for you. So let us know your thoughts on the Nomad 4-port wireless charging hub in the comment section down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.